Alright, so all I'm doing is spraying down where I thought the hole was. See it bubbling? So what I need to do is ream this little hole out, and there's no way that I could get that in there. So I broke out the drill with this drill bit. I'm going to drill a hole where the bubbles are coming out of, and then I'll be able to ream it out. Once again, just to check to make sure I'm in the right spot. Soapy water. It's coming out right there. Now it's a slightly bigger hole. I can take this reamer and force it in there. Maybe I should have used a slightly bigger drill bit, because this is pretty tough. I'm gonna leave that in there and get the plug ready. So here's my plugs. And I'm just going to take one of these plugs out. They're sticky tar, nasty, goopy plugs. Get it in between this little eye here. I got it U-shaped. Ream this up just a little bit more. And you stick the plug in. There you go. That's how it's plugged. Alright, now she's plugged. All I gotta do is put her back on the car. Appreciate you watching how easy this was. See you next time. Remember, smile while you still have teeth. Last but not least, don't forget to fill it back up to the proper pressure. You can find it on the side of the tire somewhere.